As the manufacturing is presently contributing about 16% to the GDP, under Viksit Bharat 2047, the larger aim of the government is that the contribution of manufacturing increases to 25% of the GDP. For that, it is important that the country adopts recent technologies, modern technologies. We can make our manufacturing more productive, more efficient, more cost-effective to increase the competitiveness in the global market. With collaboration with German companies, with European companies, the Indian entrepreneurs can also grow, hone their skills, as well as help in this growth story of the manufacturing in India.
I want to take this opportunity first to thank Germany for giving Industry 4.0 to the world. This particular Industry 4.0 is of great importance for us here in India to enhance our manufacturing capabilities, improve productivity, get a little more competitive, and I'm sure we will use this to make India a bigger and better manufacturing hub for self as well as for exports.
I think there's a lot can happen between the both countries, and this is a good platform where the people come together, the new ideas come together, and try to create a customer value propositions by which everyone gets benefited.
Events like this by VDMA and with Rodel guiding them, it's, I think, an immense opportunity for the Indian companies as well as the German fraternity to understand how the Indian markets are and how to grow in the Indian market.